One problem is communication problem is there. So SAT helped me for this communication problem. SAT tell me to do presentation daily. So that helped me lot, and the mock SAT conducted, that will be also help me a lot. SAT will ask the question, that question only asked by the interviewer, and some scenario based question means they send me an assessment. Based on the assessment they asked some question. So there are the 4 rounds, means first they send an assessment. For this assessment, one technical round, first technical round, and after that CO round, then HR round I completed. Then I got a call from the HR because I don't know about QSpiders. After completing my BTech, I know about the institution called software testing. Here I first meet with Escar, the first demo class. I was so much impressed about Escar. I joined Escar and testing. So I will thank Escar and all the tenors of QSpiders Kolkata for giving me this opportunity.
कैसे